Hey guys, this is Tim Lauer. Today we're in Raley Farms, a brand new subdivisions in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Let's go check it out. All right, in this neighborhood, every home is gold fortified. They tie down the framing into the concrete all the way up to the roofing to increase the win rating on these houses. Here we are at the model home. Let's go take a tour. All right, go straight back into the open floor plan living room area. Check out the kitchen. It comes standard with granite countertops, and then your choice of white or gray cabinets. All stainless steel appliances. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. Come on through. As soon as you walk in, check out this master bath. It is huge. And you won't believe the size of this walk-in closet. It's bigger than some people's bedrooms, guys. All right, let's go check out the master. Huge master bedroom. All right, come on this way. This home features a 2-car garage, 4 beds, 2 full bathrooms. When you're ready to buy new construction in Baldwin County, give me a call.